Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find Telegram downloaded files. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In this case, how do you see your downloaded files in Telegram? Well, seeing your downloaded files is actually pretty easy. So what we need to do first is we want to make sure that we allow Telegram here on our files. So in this case, look for Telegram here, press and hold on it, and you want to go and choose the App Info option. Now from here, you want to go to App Permissions and make sure that Telegram has access on your photos and videos. Now if you don't see Storage here under Allowed, you can go ahead and click on Photos and Videos here and make sure that you click on Allow here. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and visit the chats that you want to basically download the files for. So in this case, what we need to do next is visit our files. So where is the downloaded location for our Telegram? Well, in this case, go ahead and open up your file manager here, and from there, choose the folder icon at the very top here. Now there are two locations or possible locations where downloaded files in Telegram would be present. So one of them is under the Android folder. So go ahead and click on Android here. You want to go to Media, and you need to look for com.telegram. So sometimes it would be in here, depending on the version or the current app or mobile phone that you have. But then again, sometimes it's not in here depending on your phone. So as you can see, mine is in here, go ahead and click on it. Now on Telegram, you can go ahead and access the specific folder that you want to view. So for example, if you want to view your images, go ahead and click on Telegram Images. Or you can view your videos. So that's basically how you can find Telegram downloaded files. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.